Welcome to THK's booth.
Hello and a very warm welcome. Enjoy the video on the World Travel Catering and Onboard Services.
Her bags are packed, she's ready to go. She wants to take me with her to show me the world and some places I wanna know, like New York, Hollywood, Paris or Tokyo. I thought that I could be independent. It's easy to say, but my girl, she's a flight attendant. While she's dancing in the moonlight, I'm waking up the sun. Now she's working through the midnight while the new day has begun. While she's crossed the 7 oceans, few days I'm all alone. I got my 2 feet on the ground and pray, baby, please come home. Baby, please come home. Our bags are packed, we're ready to go. Today I'll take you with me to show you the world. Some places we wanna see. We fly so high, so easily. You thought my job is done after we have landed, but soon you will see it takes more to be a flight attendant. While she's dancing in the moonlight, I'm waking up the sun. Now she's working through the midnight while a new day has begun. While she's crossed the 7 oceans, few days I'm all alone. I got my 2 feet on the ground and pray, baby, please come home. I thought that I could be indie.
I am a Seednoid R7 robot made by THK Seed Solutions. With the idea that each part is like the seat of a robot, Seed Solutions aims to make it easy to build smart robotic systems. Using our parts, building a robot like me is simple.
This is the end of the video. You like it? Then give me a like. You want to see more videos? You can subscribe my channel here and you can go directly to the next video here. And now, enjoy your life and take off.
2 feet on the ground and pray.